question 2. So I sure you saw question 3 at your own. I'm sure you saw that. I'll put your answer in the comment section. Now, question 2. A market woman sold a bag of rice for 2,400. So she sold a bag of rice. So bag of rice. Bag of rice. For what? She sold it 2,400. So what are we going to call that? He sold it. That's what, that's the selling price. So he sold it, selling, he sold at 2,400 and made a profit of 20%. He made it, so that's the what? That's what? So that's percentage profit. That's 20%. Remember? So we are not told the profit he made, but we were told the percentage of the profit. That's the profit in percentage, that's 20%. Now we have to calculate the cost price. We have to calculate the cost price. And you know that for you to get the percentage, the cost price, we first of all, you know that the profit equals to what? The selling price minus cost price. That's the profit, right? So we just need to know that. So you need there's some of them that you need some of this formula. You need to know them, right? So what's the percentage profit? Percentage profit equals to cost selling price minus cost price. Remember, we're given the selling price to the what? Okay, percentage profit is actually profit over the cost price times 100, right? But now we were not given the profit, so and that's why we are using this formula. So what's now? So that's selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100. So then, what is it? What is the selling price? Selling price is 2,400, right? Minus cost price over cost price times 100. And that's what? That's the percentage profit, which is what? We are given as 20. If we cross multiply, okay, before we cross multiply, we can actually, let this percentage profit equals to x. So 20 equals to 2,400 minus x over x times 100 over 1. So this is same as 20 equals to, if you multiply this together, you are going to have times 100x, okay, sorry, minus 100x over x. So multiply 100 by all those. Then you have, so what happens if you cross multiply? You have 20x equals to 240,000 minus 100x. Then if you bring x, you have 20 plus 100, 20x plus 100x equals to 440,000. So then by this, we have 120x equals to 240,000. So I'm going to have to clean this example. One. So then, so we have divide both sides by 120. So divide both sides by, we have 120 over 120 and 240,000 over 120. 120 cancel 120, but 0 cancel 0, 12 here 1, 12 here 2. So our X, which is the cost price, equals 2,000 naira. So that's the cost price. The method looks long, but it's actually simple. You just only need to understand that. You only need to understand it. There are still shorter way to do it, but this is the best way. For better understanding, this is the best way. All right. So we are asked to also find the percentage loss. So the formula for the percentage loss is a cost price loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So what's our cost price? Our cost price is 2,000 minus selling price. That's 2,400. So we can see 400 naira loss there. That's 400 naira loss. So percentage loss. So we were asked to find, say, if she sold the rice for 1,800, what would have been our percentage loss? Right? All right. So if she has sold it at that price, so it means that what would have been, so percentage loss will be equals to all the cost price, the cost price minus selling price, that's 200. Okay, going by this, if she has selling, okay, the selling price here is the selling price here we're talking about, not that. So that's 1,800. So she will have made a loss of 200. So that will be 200. Remember, percentage loss is cost price and selling price. That's loss over the selling price, right? Over the cost price rather, times 100. So that will be 200 over cost price what? 2,000 times 100. So that will be 0 cancel 0. So that will be 10% loss. So the loss will be 10%. All right. Thank you.